Well, thank goodness it's Friday, September the 3rd, and it's not as hot this morning as it has been. Welcome to BRS Rod Shop. Come on in, Bride. Bride's just getting back from some errands. The bandsaw is not going to come to a stop, but waiting on some parts. Needed a new seal bearing, and I've got this from Rotonda Victoria Bearing Company. $9, but it's going to be a week or so getting here, looks like. And it had enough drag, I was afraid to put it in. So got a little bit of cleanup to do on the shaft. Gear here, worm gear, is in really good shape, and got one tiny chip right here. I'm just going to hand file this. This is nice hardened brass, bronze. Well, anyhow, it has been heat treated. So let's put that one down. And here's the other portion of the gear. Now, they're convex, if you can see that. The brand new one I just found from sawblade.com. They do carry this gear, and instead of me machining for $65, it ain't worth my time to get McMaster-Carr, send me a piece of good bronze in, mill it, and or braze these up and do it. So the only thing is I've got to go back and get on their hotline. Their shaft diameter is about 12 thousandths smaller, and I don't want to do anything except clean up here. I'm gonna end up, here's that bushing here. It's got 12 thousandths of slop. I've got some bronze coming, and yeah, I'll have to heat treat that as well. But I'm going to end up taking this portion, snap ring here, and a snap ring here, but can't tolerate this. I mean, it's like, it's worse than my CJ5 Jeep was before I had another machine shop help me out and bush it. But that's where we're going to be at on the bandsaw for right now. Parts coming in. Going to move back to the building the base, getting the oil tank, the water tank built, order me a pump, get me some coolant sent in here, and so the bandsaw will be a little bit slower than I thought. I thought I was going to have this thing up and going next week. Not going to put those kind of tolerances, wore out parts in there. I want this thing pristine. So y'all have a great super weekend. Please subscribe. Think about us out here in Texas. Hopefully everybody has a good Labor Day weekend coming up. And we'll continue on to part 6. This will actually be part 6. Or we could just say 5.5. But I'm going to cut those legs off, get the wheels mounted, and build a shelf underneath it so I can put parts down there, catch shavings, and have me a chip tray, and then that water tank will go in, similar to Steve Summers on that HF saw he did on his video last week. So have a safe weekend, the rest of the summer. Please thumbs up, please subscribe, and come back and visit. We'll catch you later. Gonna go back on the indexer this afternoon, and when the temperature comes up, get that oxygen cut in. So this not anything to do with the bandsaw, but I need to keep moving on these little projects, get them wiped out so I can use the tooling. Y'all come back and visit BRS Rod Shop. We're out of here.